To embed a simulation in a FlexBook lesson, start by accessing your simulation through our Browse option, Search, or related content for any lesson. When you're in the sim on any page, click on the vertical ellipsis in the top right. From there, click on Embed and copy your embed code. Once you have the embed code copied, go ahead and open up a lesson in edit mode. Wherever you want that simulation pasted, click there and then choose our Insert Media option. And choose not the general source, but the embed option available there, and paste in your embed code. Click Save, and that will put a placeholder where that simulation is embedded. You can then either keep this as a draft or finalize this draft if you want others to be able to see your updates if it's been shared. And once done, you'll be able to see that simulation embedded directly within that lesson. In this case, down at the bottom here, where we inserted it. And once it's inserted, you can then go ahead and choose that launch option. And just like a student, open it up and see that simulation once you accessed it from within the lesson.